Plenty doctors them get plenty ways to find out which stage of breast cancer person gets. Some they get them from physical examination. You get the one where they call biopsy. They will take one part from your body, go test. Some x-rays, bone scans, and plenty other blood tests. A doctor where they call pathologist could take some of the tissue samples from your breast and lymph nodes, put them under microscope to find out more about the matter. Based on these findings, they go come put together different things to make sure they sabi which stage go waka go the next stage on top this breast cancer. Sometimes it go be like code, but not be the issue be that. Now just to make sure you understand, so that when they tell you say your breast cancer dey this level, you go know as it be. Just think of them like a list of letters and numbers. The more exact the diagnosis, the more precise the plan go be. So these stages are from number 0, that na number 0, and the Roman numerals, that na I, or IV. Sometimes they follow on with A, B, or C. In general, the higher the number, the more advanced the cancer. But there's more to it than that. Make I first send you stage 0. For stage 0, the cancer, they don't catch them quick. And that one, it dey inside the breast ducts or the milk glands, and it dey there. It not cross from that place. You go hear things like in situ, meaning it's still there inside the original place. I no go bore you with the AI and AII of these ones. Make we just go to 1. Stage 1, now starting with this level, the breast cancer, they call them invasive. Meaning say, it don't break free to attack another healthy tissue from the breast gland. For stage 2, the cancer, it don't grow, it don't spread, or now 2 of them together, growing and spreading together. Then for stage 3, the cancer, it not spread to bones or organs, but they don't consider them advanced because the growth now, it don't pass, be careful. And this one, they're very hard to fight. For stage 4, the breast cancer cells, they feel spread far away from the breast and the lymph nodes to around them to far sites. And most of these common sites now, the bones, as in cancer go spread from the breast, go the bones, go the lungs, go the livers, and even the brain. And this stage that they describe them as metastatic, meaning say it don't spread beyond the region of the body where they first find the cancer. Well, they get some kind different survival rates to show how person they survive this cancer matter. And one of them are the 5-year survival rates. Many people, they live for at least 5 years after they don't diagnose them with this breast cancer. So this one, they based on the stage of the time where they do the diagnosis. And this rate, not only as an estimate, some people, they live past waiting the doctor, they talk. So not be the one way doctor go tell you, say you get like 10 years or 5 years to live, you can't fear. If you dey very optimistic and you do waiting they tell you to do, you fit live beyond that time. Or who knows, the thing even fit disappear by miracle. The better the chances of your living longer. So your doctor fit help you understand survival rates and waiting they mean to you. But according to the National Cancer Institute, the 5-year survival rates for breast cancer then be like this. For stage 0, na 100%. For stage 1, na 100%. For stage 2, na 93%. For stage 3, na 72%. And for stage 4, na 22%. This breast cancer diagnosis na plenty to take in, but if you get questions, just take them, go meet your doctor. He go give you all the information where you need. Tomorrow, I go show you how you go prevent breast cancer. This na still Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. Anyigafu Echi.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.